Video lecture number 28, Poetic Creativity Activity. Hello dear students and dear friends. In my last video lecture, I discussed the brainstorming section and the poetic appreciation of the poem The Inch Cave Rock, and I finished that poem. Today I will discuss the poetic creativity activity. First, understand that this activity or this poetic creativity activity will be asked in question number 3A for 2 marks in your activity sheet of English. This activity will be based on the theme or the subject of the given extract of a poem from your textbook. Means in question number 3A you will be given one extract, one scene extract of a poem from your textbook containing 10 to 15 lines, and there will be various 4 activities for 8 marks, 2 marks for each activity, and among them you will have one activity of this poetic creativity. So in this activity you will be given the subject or you will be given the situation, and you will be asked to compose your 4 to 6 poetic lines on that subject or the situation. I repeat, in this activity you will be given one subject or one situation, and you will be asked to compose your own 4 to 6 poetic lines on that subject or on that situation. Now in your activity sheet of English you can have this activity like this: compose your own 4 to 6 poetic lines on importance of clothes. This is from the point of view of example. Now here you have to compose your own 4 to 6 poetic lines on this given subject, importance of clothes, by using your own imagination, by using your own poetic language and using your own skill. Friends, as far as composing 4 to 6 poetic lines on the given subject or on the given situation is concerned, you require 3 things. First, you require understanding of the subject or the situation. Number 2, the poetic language, and number 3, imagination. First, understanding of the poem or the situation. Friends, unless and until you understand the subject properly, you will not be understand or you will not be able to compose your own 4 to 6 poetic lines. So first, understand the subject on which you are asked to compose your own 4 to 6 poetic lines. Sometimes instead of subject you are given the situation. You will be given one incident, you will be given one situation with the subject, and you will be asked to compose your own 4 to 5 poetic lines. In this condition also you have to understand the situation. Read that activity twice, thrice, what is asked in question paper or what is given in activity sheet. Read it once, twice and understand it, and then go for composing your own poetic lines. Sometimes in this situation you are given the subject, but along with subject you are also given certain hints what you have to do while composing those poetic lines, and you are given the clue also. And you have to use all these 3 things: the subject, the instructions and the clue to compose your own poetic lines. Now, another important thing that you require to compose your own poetic lines is poetic language. Now, poetic language is different from prose language. Poetic language contains rhyme, rhythm, figures of speech. It has a proper selection of proper words at proper places in the line of a poem. So, you must have this poetic language. You must use rhyme, rhythm, rhyme scheme, or the figures of speech like alliteration, repetition, simile, metaphor, inversion, personification in your poetic lines. Means while composing the lines, you must try to create rhyme, rhythm, and all these figures of speech like alliteration, repetition, simile, metaphor, inversion, personification, hyperbole in your poetic lines, so that it will create the greater poetic effect. Your own poetic lines will create the greater poetic effect, and it is the matter of practice. Third thing is imagination. Now friends, as you know, we all are born with the imagination skill. We are all born with the imagination power. God has given us this supreme gift of imagination from our birth. But what it requires is the development of imagination. But this imagination is to be developed. And this imagination develops with your own experiences, your feelings, and your sensitivity and your thoughts. So your imagination develops with the help of these four things: your experiences, your feelings, your sensitivity, and your thoughts. So use these four things and develop your imagination. The more your imagination will develop, the more you will be able to compose a good poetic lines. And you have to relate your experiences, your feelings, your sensitivity, and your thoughts while composing these poetic lines. You have to use your experiences, your feelings, your thoughts, and your sensitivity and pour it out in those four poetic lines that you are asked to compose on the given subject or on the given situation. Friends, I give you some of the examples. Here are some of the examples of the poetic creativity type activity. Compose your own 4 to 6 poetic lines on importance of clothes. Compose your own 4 to 6 poetic lines on importance of clothes. In your textbook, below every poem, you are given such activities for practice. You do the practice of it. Because unless and until you do the practice of this activity, you will not be able to compose these 4 poetic lines. So every day you should try to write a poem in English on a subject, on particularly different subject. So on the subject like farmer, sea, importance of clothes, or my aim in life, like that. You can select any subject and you have to try to compose the poem in English using your own language, using your own imagination and understanding. Now here the activity is compose your own 4 to 6 poetic lines on importance of clothes. Now I tell you my own 4 poetic lines. They are: the attire mentions the man he is, confidence and protection the dress gives. Colors show the mood and occasion, the viewer views it with a great passion. there can be another activity like this. Compose your own 4 poetic lines on C. So here you are given the subject C and you are asked to compose your own 4 to 6 poetic lines. There can be another activity that you can be asked in the form of situation. You will be given one situation like this. Compose your own 4 to 6 lines of a free verse on the topic the road that leads to my college. Express that it is the road to knowledge and bright future. Express that it is the road to knowledge and bright future. You may begin like this. Every day I trade with the bag of books. Now in this situation, here you are given 3 things to compose your own poetic lines. Number 1, you are given the subject. Number 2, you are given the content, what should be the content. And number 3, you are given the clue also. The subject is the road that leads to my college, and what you have to pour it, that it is the road to knowledge and bright future, and you are given the clue that you can begin your 4 lines with the line every day I trade with a bag of books. So thus you have to understand and then you have to try to compose your own poetic lines. So now I tell you the answer. Every day I trade with the bag of books and a hopeful step into the space of light and hope. I can look for myself. I go to become more ready for tomorrow and the day after. Every day, every way, I grow and grow, thankful and wise, strongly hopeful. So these are the lines on this. Now friends, sometimes you will be given 1 line or 2 lines from the extract, and you will be asked to compose your two more lines rhyming with those given line, changing the rhyme scheme or in a typical or particular pattern of rhyme scheme. So these are the various types of activities based on poetic type activity. You have to do the more practice of this poetic creativity activity at your home. So the best way to do the practice is you have to try to compose your own poems in English each day on at least 1 different subject. So here I remind you that this activity is typically based on practice and practice only. The more you will do the practice of this activity, the more you will be benefited and the more you will be master and skilled in composing your own poetic lines on the given subject. So friends, we should stop here. In my next video lecture, I will discuss the poetic appreciation of the poem. I will explain you how to appreciate the poem. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.